All working components of the PSX-2000 are located underneath the control panel. To access the two pumps and any wiring, the control panel needs to be removed. We can begin by removing the new and used fluid bottles to get them out of the way. Next, to remove the control panel, we'll remove the screws located on the control panel in the back and front positions. After removing the screws, we can lift up on the control panel, which reveals all of the tubing, wiring, and the pumps at the bottom of the machine.